How to enable or disable SmartThings. Always allow emergency alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on connected devices. After that, scroll down, then tap on SmartThings. And from here, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon. From here, we then go down and tap on notifications. After that, scroll down in here and tap on always allow emergency alerts. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here it says safety and security emergency notifications are always allowed regardless of your other settings. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.